Namaskar. I am here to give overall feedback on 4-week very excellent online FDP on tools for online teaching learning processes. The course was nicely conducted by the Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon, and for this I sincerely thanks to Principal of this institute, Dr. Ingve sir, Head of the Department, Ramesh Dayas sir, Coordinator Argade sir, and entire team members of Department of Pharmacy. We are very much thankful to you for going through such a wonderful course. In week 1, dedicated to effective teaching learning practices, in which we learn our role as a facilitator than that of teacher, very active learning than that of passive learning, different learning styles for effective learning, modified Bloom's taxonomy, development of question papers accordingly, modern pedagogical techniques and tools, creation of visual presentation. The concept, it is learned by doing, so all activities are done in the LBD fashion. Activities of all sub tools we have completed, and once again we have revised all these contents, created effective PowerPoint presentation, for teaching learning for our courses and shared with the students, developed a question bank, question papers, and given it to solve the students in this lockdown period, learn modern pedagogical techniques, tools, like creation of effective videos, visual presentations, in week 1, the assignment we have completed about the effective PowerPoint presentation, and this PowerPoint presentation 6x6 rule we have followed. This is the screenshot of completed assignment by me, and the similar PPTs or similar type of PPTs I have also developed for my course and shared with my students. In week 2, creation of online resource. Major again we have learned online teaching components such as PowerPoint presentation, development of animated videos, very lovely and free screen customatic software for development of audio videos, website creation, content management, a website, and all these things we have learned in week 2. We have done all these activities by doing. So learn by doing concept. For this we have again revised all these things. Created PowerPoint presentation, audio, video, created visual PPT using screen recorder, created the activities, and these PPTs, audios, videos are also shared with the students. This is a sample video which I have created for assignment completion, and this is uploaded on YouTube for my course PVC. Such videos I have created and shared with the students on YouTube. Week 3, Moodle as a learning management tool. So in this Moodle system, creation of Genomio course, creation of learners, adding the resources, development of quiz, creation of completion bar, awarding badges, awarding certificates, Google Forms, creation of quiz using Google Forms, Google Classroom, creation of Google Classrooms, all we have learned. And we have did these things, utilized the knowledge to develop solve LBDs, created Genome course on Moodle, created separate Genome course website like EEDGPAL, Genomeo.com, created learners, added resources, designed quiz, created completion bar in the same, awarded batches, awarded certificates, developed Google Forms, developed a Google Classroom also, and this Google Classroom and this model, that is a Moodle, developed a course on Moodle. It is also I have implemented and now given assignments to the students in this lockdown period. This is a screenshot of Moodle completed assignment. So this is a website created, https://edgpl.genomeo.com course for ECA, Energy Conservation, Energy Audit and Conservation subject. Then created a Google Classroom for third year students. Since a month, different assignments are given for the students. This is a screenshot for Google Classroom. That is the assignment completed. Week 4, Digital and Advanced Pedagogy. The major gains, 3 software tools we came to know, creation of effective e-contents we came to know, student response systems like Mentimeter, Hookers, Kahoot, we have studied. We have studied so easily by just observing the videos, learning through the videos, learn by doing. We definitely developed a such student response system. Creation of online quiz. We have already developed this online quiz. Condition events. Creation of real-time quiz. It is developed for final year students. My quiz 3, where how to use and implement we have studied. Then all activities by LBD, studied 3 softwares, learn creation of effective contents, response Mentimeter, learn response system Hookers, learn response system Kahoot, learn creation of quiz, real-time quiz, learn implemented my quiz. Actually, I have developed my real-time quiz on myquiz.org and it is assigned to the students. This is the screenshot of results which is obtained. Finally, this is a very excellent and revolving course entirely for all the faculties who attended. So, I am very much thankful to the organizers once again for nice, wonderful course. Thank you. Thank you very much.